All right, so let's get back to business of rolling without sliding on the ramp. Now, if you see the point in contact with the ramp, when it comes to the sphere, it's highlighted with blue. You will find that the friction which has been shown on the slide is static friction. This is contrary to what you would normally believe. The body is going down, and you would expect the friction to be kinetic friction because the body is going down. However, since the point is at rest, the point at which the sphere touches the ramp, because it's a case of pure rolling, the friction which is working is the static friction. Now, static friction is the one that is producing the rotation. Static friction is the one which we have to concentrate on. There is no kinetic friction involved in pure rolling when the body is coming down without sliding. Okay, so this is a key takeaway, that the sliding friction does not exist. What exists is a static friction which is bringing about all these changes of rotation, etc. So please memorize this concept.